In this video, we have the tangent of A is 7 over 24, and the sine of B is 15 over 17, and angles A and B are in quadrant 1. Find the value of tangent of A minus B. So this is just telling us that, hey, everything's going to be positive. I need to look for this in one of my trig formulas over here, and I notice that I'm supposed to be adding and subtracting something, so I'm going to use this formula right here. I'm starting with a subtraction, so that means on the top, I'm going to use a subtraction, but on the bottom, I'm going to use a plus sign. Okay, so let's set up what we know. All right, so we have tangent of A minus B equals tangent of A minus tangent of B over 1 plus tangent of A times tangent of B. Well, I know tangent of A, so I could drop that in there. So I get 7 over 24 minus, I don't know this, 1 plus 7 over 24, and I need to find tangent of B. Well, I'm going to have to use my triangle for this. I'm going to get out my triangle. So my B, my opposite is 15 for sine, and my hypotenuse is 17. I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So 15 squared plus x squared equals 17 squared. I'm going to go ahead and put that into Desmos. So, and I'm going to say 17 squared minus 15 squared, right? Because if I go back here, I'm going to subtract that 15 squared from the other side. That equals 64, and then I know the square root of 64 is 8, so I don't have to look that one up. So I know that this other side is 8. So the tangent would be the opposite 15 over the adjacent 8. So 15 over 8 and 15 over 8. Now I'm going to just really carefully put this into Desmos and let Desmos do the work for me here. So I'm going to notice I put some parentheses around the entire numerator and the entire denominator. I'm going to use those. So I have 17 divided by 24 minus 15 divided by 8. 15 divided by 8. I'm going to divide that by 1 minus, and then 7 over 24 times 15 divided by 8. And again, I've got some, I could go ahead and toggle the fraction. So negative 224 over 87. Negative 224 over 87.